Welcome to Pocket Wimmer Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today I'm going to have a shot at an entry into Michael Gilchrist 400 subscriber celebration giveaway. Congratulations, mate. Awesome achievement. Hashtag it Norland400 to find all the videos to see what people are picking for their entries. Now you can pick any lock. So I'm going to go for this one. It's been on my desk for some time, been wanting to get it off this. Scored it from a salvage yard. It is a 6540 Avis. Let's just see if the pins are free. Yep, I think so. Background feels a bit funny. We'll see how we go. We'll try top of the keyway. With this Tape 5 Industries pick with the 3D printed handles from Series 3. Now the other thing that Michael wanted us to do was to give him a shout out. So Michael Gilchrist is a black belt picker, which means he can pick high security locks. And he is also very generous with his knowledge on how he picks locks, all sorts of locks. He does videos on locks like the Master Lock 410, how to pick that. Shares all of his tips and tricks that he's learnt along the way. So, a very valuable member of the community. Oh yes, got it. Finally, I've been trying to pick this lock for ages. Since I got it on and off, pick it up every couple of weeks and go, okay, I want this off. Now it's finally off. Just needed the incentive of a giveaway. There you go, the 6540 salvage yard Avis. Very nice. A very talented picker. Check out Michael Gilchrist's channel. Check out all the videos in the hashtag Norland400. I'll leave all the links in the description below to Michael's channel and to the giveaway video as well, so you can all get on. I think this might be the last week you've got a chance to get into it. So thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.